Hi guys, you don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, it's one of them. Guys, today is Tuesday, August. I'm not sure dates, maybe 28th, 27, 28th, thereabout. It's around 2 o'clock right now in these streets, and I'm walking up to Main Street, not far from where I live here. Walking up the street, and I get some stuff up there and stuff. So that's what I'm currently doing now. The street that I'm walking on right now, right up there, I'm find the $100 light. One street named Prospect Street. So yeah, a car is coming. Yeah, so guys, I'm pretty beat. Like, you can see me attack. Like, I'm so tired, you know. I had a fun-filled day yesterday. I'll just be chilling today. So I don't know if somebody's out walk there, and I'm gonna like when people walk there and me, so you know, I have to just bust a stall and thing. But yeah, I don't know. I'll go up on the street. If you're on my channel for the first time, turn on your post notifications, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. I really want to hear from you. Tell me that you're new to my channel so I can give you a shout out. Also, the first person to comment, I'll give them a shout out as well, because that tells me your notification bell is on and stuff. So yeah, later guys. I forgot to mention to you, the sun is like, it's so hot today. Something there. Yesterday was 90 degrees and today is hotter than yesterday. But I contemplate if I come out of the house because the sun's so hot. I don't want to get burned up, because yesterday I did nice out and it's starting to feel like I burn up. But nonetheless, I do have my water ever going. You gotta keep hydrated in these streets and bathing. So I just checked in to tell you that. Was I not recording? Oh yeah, I was. Alright, so yeah. Hi guys. Today's a pretty chill day, you know, so I don't have much doing. But I'm at a store right now. Oops. I'm at a store right now called Rainbows. Look dark. Yeah, I'm at a store called Rainbows. My hair is a mess. No, I go stay for when I come back. But I'm getting some stuff here. Ready for me? Oh. Getting some stuff here and then head back home. I'm not really doing anything else today. Tomorrow, one of my friends is supposed to come and see me. My friend from the last time, she named Poochie. She's supposed to come and see me, so we have that to do. So that's what I'm basically doing right now. But you know, when I'm a gym top, like, I like to wear gym clothes everywhere I go. If I'm wear gym clothes 24/7, I know dress up clothes, just dim nice clothes. That's how obsessed I am. And stuff. If anything, I will check back in with you guys. Not sure though, because I'm gonna head home now. About that thing. So if anything, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love. Maybe I just put together what I did today and give you that as a vlog, because I don't want the vlogs to go overlapping, you understand? If you notice, I've been trying to give you a vlog a day from I've been here, so I'm trying to keep that up. and stuff like that. People are staring me down right now, but I don't really care, like, I'm shameless. Yeah, so yeah man, I'm tired and I get there now, so don't want to do thumbs up, subscribe, tell a friend. Hi guys.
They're trying to post you.
You don't know Instagram MELICASKYLIFE in the building. You what of them? So today my friend came to look for me as usual in these streets.
We're going to the mall.
We're about to hit the mall. So if you're in New Jersey, link up. Yeah, so we're going to the streets and now we're already on our Uber.
Yeah, or Uber.
And stuff, so that's what we're doing today. But think you know today not hotter than yesterday?
No, yesterday when I burn up too much.
Yesterday when the breeze blow up, I heat me I feel.
Yes.
Today is a cooler day, I must say. So we're gonna head to the mall, get something to eat, chill, and that's basically what we're gonna be doing. When we reach our mall, we can log on back and stuff. So yeah, keep it locked to SkyLife TV. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love, and turn on your post notifications so you see each time I upload that I build something. Then go ask to say, do you want to get notified? And you have to say yes. Okay? And we're currently at the mall.
The mall.
This is a different mall from the two that I've been to. What the mall here?
Willowbrook Mall.
Willowbrook Mall.
In Wayne, New Jersey.
Out here in these streets, gang, gang, gang. Yeah, clothes feel like you pull up though, like this up there, pull up my clothes, the bag. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna look for something to eat.
Yeah, we're gonna go to food.
We're gonna get something to eat right now and stuff. Yeah, guys, I'm currently in Sephora. I have lip gloss I like. I come from Sephora. I'm trying to see if I see lip gloss. I want Sephora brand lip gloss. Funny says Sephora. Pink.
It's a more Jacob.
And then it like dries and stays like that.
Sephora brand. I want to see my bag sign. I have one bag like this. I have two bags like that. So I'm trying to get the over this one. Sephora brand. Let me see, something like that. Come in one something like this. Thinner. What's Sephora mark funny?
Sephora Mark Funny.
I'm gonna sell it mark funny bottle itself.
So your brushes.
Anyways, come on.
The brushes get back to you.
Should I get my makeup done? Should I get my makeup did? No, it's time too hot over here for that right now. We can't. What on? What setting spray?
It's like put on your face before you.
Primer?
Yeah, it's like a primer.
Or the drop? You get one little glow. What about for me? Let me show them.
Too much.
It's a primer. Smell good. Yes, I'm too hungry. Everything smells good to me right now. So yeah, as I was saying, you can't wear makeup or anything like that right now because the sun is like too hot for that right now. Too hot.
So what's open? Aldo is opening here. Right? Aldo. Wow. I love Aldo. Love this of Aldo. So show them Michael Kors.
Michael Kors right there. The body shop over there. Hey, come on, what do you think about somebody or anything?
Forever 21 stairs. Upstairs.
Okay. What we are going? Food court right now?
You want to go to food court?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Okay, we're going to go to
So when I'm getting something to eat, I'll tell you what, show you guys what I get. what I got. I got plantain. You don't know me can't live without the plantain. I don't know there's something there. They make Thai food, so meat. She get
Chicken teriyaki.
where you get?
Chicken teriyaki.
With fried rice. And me get this with fried rice. So
I'm going to buy food. Seafood there.
so you know that's gonna take a little while. So I'll check back in with you guys when I devour it. And hi guys, you know,
Mall, you know.
my phone is about to die. Guys, you need to sponsor me a new phone.
No, a new battery.
No, but I just want a complete set and stuff.
What type of phone? You have to ask them
Anyways,
what type of phone.
I have a Samsung Galaxy 6 Edge Plus right now. An
So she
upgrade.
need an 8.
An upgrade would be good. I'm gonna get my phone fixed. It's not a joke, but I'm gonna get my phone sorted out in this week. But you can still buy me the phone. Yeah, but devour the food. Whenever I eat it off, it did too much. So they are chill for the rest of the day.
And enjoy with own company.
My phone is about to die. That's why I came on here to tell you guys to remember to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Share with a friend. I don't know. Keep it at the Skylife TV.
Yeah, video the mall.
Skylife.
Video the mall.
This mall is not so busy like the one I went to yesterday. Yesterday, my mom? That one I went.
Busy now.
Well, not right now. It's not that busy. We have 1 and 4 people in the same place still. And I go and chill out. So guys, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Yeah. Later, I don't know if you're gonna see me after this because my phone battery is about to die. Later.